Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Ads conversion tag from Wix, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Google Ads conversion tag from your Wix site, begin by signing into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Tracking and Analytics. In the Tracking and Analytics section, look for the list of tags you currently have installed. Identify the Google Ads conversion tag you wish to uninstall. Click on the tag to open its settings. Within the tag settings, you will find an option to remove or delete the tag. Click on this option to confirm that you want to uninstall the conversion tag. Once removed, you will see a notification confirming the deletion of the tag. To ensure the changes have taken effect, exit the settings. Next, test your website to verify the tag is no longer active. You can use Google Tag Assistant or similar tools for this verification. If the tag is still detected, return to the Tracking and Analytics section. Double-check that the tag has been correctly deleted from your account. After confirming it's removed, your Google Ads conversion tracking will no longer function on the site. This process helps maintain accurate tracking for your advertising efforts. Make sure to keep your website's analytics and tags organized for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.